What's going on YouTube? Doing my first unboxing video of Daviid Minder's NY RVA collection. He did a little drop, basically re-releasing all the stuff that he sold out of. Man, I had to cop something because on his first drop, I was mad because I didn't get nothing. It took a minute to get here. Not too long though. He just took forever to ship it, but he sent it within 2 days of 2 days priority. Really surprised he fit three t-shirts in this little packaging. But hey, he got some great packaging. So first look, I'm not liking what I see because I see gilding right there. I don't know if y'all can see it because it's not really focusing. But I typically don't prefer gilding shirts. But we'll see what these hitting on. First up is the classic Iron Mike Tyson. Got the little vintage faded look on the front and the back. I bought this joint because of the Tiger. You know, we in 2020, Big Tiger King, you hear me? And how can you go wrong with a Mike Tyson shirt? Come on, man. I had to order a large. I hope it fit. It's supposed to be a little bit big. That's how I like my shirts, but you win some, you lose some. Next up is my all-time favorite. When I say my all-time favorite, it's probably my all-time favorite. The only reason I watched basketball as a kid, the only reason I played basketball as a kid, the only reason I had cornrows as a kid, I don't think I have to say too much more. You should know who this is. The answer, Allen Iverson. I like this one too. Again, with the faded vintage look, it's pretty nice. Then he got his brand name on the back. Usually I go for big pictures on the back, but hey, it's AI. You can't beat AI. And sheesh, my favorite. Okay, I was definitely waiting for this one to coming out. Coming in. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Greatest in the world, it's Muhammad Ali. Sheesh. That joint hard. And like I said, I'm a sucker for something on the back. Of course, float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. And as you can see, I'm wearing my Savvy the brand, black-owned business out of the DMV. He make all different color hats. Of course, he got more than just hats. He got sweatshirts, t-shirts, all that. I'm glad I got this one because it definitely matched my Savvy the brand hat. You hear me? So just like any other unboxing, I'm going to show y'all a little bit of swag with this. I ain't gonna put nothing on. I'm gonna just show y'all how I'm gonna rock them.
Alright. Yeah. Alright.
Quarter ounce. 2 accounts. Large amount.
Oh, shove around. So all in all, a review on David Miner. You must be a small guy because I ordered a large thinking the joints was gonna be big. You must be wearing an extra large. I got you. I'm gonna order extra large next time because that's how I like to wear my stuff too. But when it comes to the designs, the quality of the shirt is pretty good. Couldn't ask for too much. Graphic tees. Of course, like I said earlier, I didn't like the gilding, but you got to start from somewhere. Your brand grows as you do, so hopefully in a few more drops you won't be still selling gilding joints, you know what I mean? But hey, do what you gotta do. You got my vote. I'm gonna keep buying the shirts as I see them hit the website. For everybody who don't know, follow me on Instagram at the Black Ken. That's the Black Ken, 2 K's, 2 N's. Follow me. On Twitter, Dior Paint _Dior Paint. One more thing, I'm like all everybody to subscribe and like, comment, do all that. Trying to get my subscribers up. If you want to see the Jack of all trades videos, of course, sneaker reviews, limited releases, me living life, me having fun with my little brother. I also have a gaming YouTube, so of course follow us on that. Old Boys Gaming, Old Boys Entertainment. I'm Old Boy Kendall. I'm out.
I started. I like that. Yeah, when it gets yellow, it's tiny. They can't see you.
You can't?
Yeah, when they turn to yellow, they're tiny. From the camera. Yeah, that was cool.
New 50 runners, I feel athletic. Running shit up by my partner, Pat. Blowing this cash, it was time we ain't had it. Got 21 bitches, I must be a chef. Cooking in the kitchen, it don't smell like acid. Pouring this hot take, I'm sipping relaxing. Biting in the lake on the fucking the baddest. Tipping in plastic, put him in the casket. I'm like, this stuff quickly pass him in that.